Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Sandwiches, who doesn't like them? They are extremely easy to make, a great meal to enjoy anytime, plus there are so many different ways to enjoy a sandwich. I like to diversify things, and besides the common ones here in North America, there's a popular Egyptian sandwich I really like to make often. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my version of Hawashi. This sandwich is incredibly tasty. There's meat, vegetables, and a beautiful mix of spices stuffed into pita or baladi bread. Packed with flavor, and trust me, this recipe is definitely a must-try. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll go ahead and make the spice mix. In a small bowl, we'll add cumin, ground coriander, some allspice, then hot paprika, followed by ground cardamom, a little bit of ground cloves, and the same with ground cinnamon. We'll give a good whisk until the spices are well blended, and we'll set aside for now. Next, in a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil, and when it gets hot, we'll add onions, red peppers, and jalapeno peppers. We'll quickly saute our vegetables for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and saute for 30 seconds. Then we'll add ground beef and break the meat down into small pieces with the tip of the spatula. But what am I thinking? I've got the perfect tool for that. My meat chopper that David got me. I'm serious, guy. If you want a faster way to do that, get yourself this kitchen tool. Alright, so we'll add tomato paste, incorporate it into the mixture, and cook the ingredients no longer than 2 minutes. We're only doing a jump start here. The reason why we quickly saute everything is because we'll finish cooking the filling in the oven. So don't worry, we're not eating raw meat. A couple minutes later, we'll remove from the heat and transfer the meat mixture into a large bowl. We'll add our spice mix and season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll also add some fresh chopped parsley. It's good for us. Now we'll mix everything together. Time to stuff our pita. I like to use the large ones, but if you prefer, you can use the smallest pita, or if you can find it, use the baladi bread instead. So we'll scoop up the mixture and fill each pita pocket, leaving any liquid behind so the bread doesn't get soggy. Then we'll transfer them to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Next, we'll lightly brush on some clarified butter on top before transferring the Hawashi to a 400-degree preheated oven. We'll bake them for 14 minutes, but halfway through cooking, we'll carefully flip them over. Return them to the oven and bake for the remaining time. When it's done, we'll serve them immediately with my creamy tahini sauce, which is coming up next week, so stay tuned. And my friends, this is our Hawashi. What an amazing and easy recipe to make! Plus, this tasty sandwich is packed with flavor. It's a delicious new way to try something different than our regular North American sandwiches. This popular Egyptian street food will surprise both you and your taste buds. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amount, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!